The tickets are gone. All of our World Cup match tickets have completely disappeared from the bag.
That's impossible. They couldn't have just vanished into thin air. Check your bag again very thoroughly.
They were here a minute ago. I swear they were inside this exact pocket before we walked up here.
Check again. Empty out the entire contents of the backpack to be absolutely certain, Charlotte.
Charlotte, is today really the day we have been looking forward to for such a long time?
Yes! We're finally going to the World Cup match.
I can't believe Dad got tickets. It is absolutely incredible that he managed to secure these for us.
We've been waiting for months. All this patient waiting was just for this exact moment.
Are you two ready? Is everything fully prepared so that we can leave right now?
I've been ready since sunrise. I have been in complete match day mode since early morning, Dad.
Keep those tickets safe, Charlotte. Please make sure there are absolutely no mistakes or careless slip-ups.
Don't worry, they're in my backpack.
Those tickets are very important. They are completely irreplaceable, so you must be extremely mindful of them.
I know, Mum. I will keep...
This is going to be the best day ever. I feel like nothing could possibly go wrong today.
I think so too. There is absolutely nothing that can ruin this wonderful occasion for our family. I still can't believe we're going. It still feels surreal that we are actually on our way there.
Neither can I. It honestly feels like a wonderful...
Excuse me, are those World Cup tickets? Did I see you holding the match passes just now?
Yes, why? Why do you suddenly ask us about our match tickets out here in public?
Because you're about to regret showing them to me. You should have kept them hidden away from sight.
What does that mean? What exactly are you trying to imply by saying something like that? What did you mean by that? Please explain your words clearly right now instead of acting mysterious.
Nothing. Just a joke. I was only playing around with you to pass the time.
It didn't sound like a joke. Your tone of voice felt very threatening and unusual to me.
Then maybe you take things too seriously.
Charlotte, I don't like that guy. There is something very unsettling about the way he carries himself. The look in his eyes gave me...
Is everything okay? Did something happen while I was away buying these refreshments for us?
That man was acting strange. He approached us and said some
Very bizarre things just a moment ago. Stay close to us. Make sure you do not wander off or separate from the group under any circumstance.
We will. We will stay right by your side and make sure we keep up with your pace.
Wow, those are great seats. I noticed the seating section on your tickets is in a prime location.
How do you know that? How could you possibly know our exact seating arrangements from over there?
I caught a glimpse of the tickets. It happened when you opened up your bag earlier.
You seem very interested. You are paying an unusual amount of attention to our personal belongings.
Who wouldn't be? These are World Cup tickets, the most sought-after items in the world right now.
Most people wouldn't stare at strangers.
Charlotte, I think he's following us. He is tracking our movements.
I was thinking the same thing. He has shown up far too many times.
Should we tell Dad? We need to let him know so he can deal with this man properly.
Yes, right now. We cannot afford to hesitate or wait any longer before informing him. Dad, I think that man is following us. He has been trailing behind our family for a while.
Are you sure? Are you absolutely certain about this, or are you just feeling overly anxious?
I've seen him 3 times already. He keeps appearing everywhere we go since we arrived here.
I'll keep an eye on him. Don't worry, I will watch his actions very carefully from now on.
He's over there again. Look, he is standing right by that pillar and watching us intently.
I told you, Dad. It is perfectly clear that he has some sort of bad intention toward us.
Stay close to me. Keep right behind my back so he cannot get anywhere near either of you.
I will. I am going to stay stuck to your side and won't let go of your jacket.
Fancy seeing you again. It seems like fate keeps bringing us together in this massive crowd.
We weren't trying to see you. In fact, we would prefer it if you stayed far away from us.
That's not very friendly. I am just a fellow football fan trying to strike up a conversation.
Neither is following people. Tracking a family through a crowd is definitely not friendly behavior either.
You're imagining things, little lady. Your mind is playing tricks on you because of the excitement.
I don't think so. My intuition is very sharp and I know exactly what I am seeing.
Charlotte, what happened now? Why do you look so incredibly stressed and troubled all of a sudden?
The same man keeps appearing. He just won't stop following us and popping up right next to me. That's concerning. This repetitive behavior is starting to feel very unsafe and highly unusual for a stranger.
Relax, I'm just heading to the stadium too. I am just an ordinary spectator trying to get inside.
Then why do you keep watching us? Why are your eyes constantly fixed on our family?
We're almost at the entrance. Keep moving forward together. We are just a few steps away now. I can see the stadium gates.
They are right in front of us, clear as day.
This place is amazing. The scale of this arena is absolutely breathtaking up close.
It's even bigger than I imagined. It looks 100 times grander than it does on television.
Everyone, get your tickets ready. Please hold them out in your hands so the gatekeepers can scan them. Mine are in my backpack. They are safely tucked away.
Can I hold mine? Can you please let me hold my own ticket just for a moment, Mum?
Not until we reach the gate. It is much safer to leave them with Charlotte for now, James.
Wait a second. Everyone, please hold on for just a moment. Something is terribly wrong here.
What's wrong, Charlotte? Why did your face suddenly turn completely white like that?
My backpack pocket is open. Look at this. The zipper is completely pulled back and it's empty.
What? What do you mean by saying that the ticket pocket has been opened up?
The tickets are gone. All of our World Cup match tickets have completely disappeared from the bag.
That's impossible. They couldn't have just vanished into thin air. Check your bag again very thoroughly.
They were here a minute ago. I swear they were inside this exact pocket before we walked up here.
Check again. Empty out the entire contents of the backpack to be absolutely certain, Charlotte.
I've checked 3 times. There is absolutely nothing left inside any of these compartments, Dad.
Oh no, this is an absolute disaster for us. How could this have happened right at the gate?
Charlotte, I just saw that man walking away really fast. He is heading back toward the exit.
The rude stranger? Are you talking about that bizarre man who was following us earlier?
James, are you sure it was him? You must be absolutely certain before we make a move.
I'm almost certain. I am 99% sure that it was his exact jacket and build.
Dad, we have to find that man. We need to chase him down right now to get our tickets back.
Let's stay calm. We cannot just run off into the crowd without a proper plan.
Calm? Our tickets are gone. How can you expect me to remain calm when we lost everything?
Panicking won't help us solve this problem.
There he is. He is right up there ahead of us on the walkway. Hurry up, everyone.
I see him too. It is definitely that awful man. He won't get away from us this time.
Stop. We need to talk. You need to halt right there because we have questions for you.
What do you want from me now? Why are you blocking my path out here in the plaza?
Our World Cup tickets disappeared. They were stolen right out of my backpack just a moment ago.
And? What does your lost property have to do with me?
Why are you telling me this?
I saw a man in an orange vest following you. He was the one who reached into your bag.
An orange vest? You mean a staff member? That doesn't make any sense at all. Dad, I remember seeing someone in an orange vest near us in the queue. I thought he was just a volunteer.
If he was an imposter, he could still be in the area. We need more information from this man.
He had a jacket that was too big for him. It looked like he was wearing it over something else. That's it. He was an imposter. We need to get to the security office right now. Hurry up. If we can get to the security office in time, they can track him on the cameras. I knew it. That man was just trying to help us all along.
We need help. Our tickets were stolen by someone impersonating a staff member.
He was wearing an orange and purple vest, but it didn't fit him properly.
Please hurry. The match is about to start, and those tickets are irreplaceable.
I understand. Let me check the security cameras in that area immediately.
There. I see him. He's standing near the pillar where your son spotted him.
That's him. Look at his jacket. It's way too big for him. I can't believe it. He did it so quickly, I didn't feel a thing.
He's still in the stadium area. I'm dispatching security to his location right now.
Security has him. They're bringing the tickets back to the gate right now.
Thank goodness. We're going to make it to the match after all.
Here they are, safe and sound. Enjoy the match, everyone.
Thank you so much. I can't believe we got them back.
I'm so sorry for accusing you. You were only trying to help us and I didn't see it.
Don't mention it. In a crowd like this, you have to be careful who you trust.
Go on now. You don't want to miss the kickoff. Have a great time at the match.
Thanks. You're the best stranger we've ever met.
We made it. This is going to be a match we will never forget. And it's all thanks to that mysterious man. What a day.
Dad, something feels wrong. I just thought about a major flaw in our assumption about him. If he stole the tickets, why is he still standing here? A real thief would have run away. Most thieves would leave. They would take the valuable items and disappear into the crowd immediately.
Charlotte, I remembered something. I just recalled an incident that happened right before the gate. I saw someone bump into you earlier. It was a very hard physical impact that jostled your bag.
I forgot about that. I completely dismissed that strange collision because I was so focused on the match.
Can you describe the person? Try to remember any specific details about their clothes or face, James.
They were wearing a stadium volunteer jacket. It was the official bright uniform that the helpers wear.
The rude stranger wasn't wearing one. His clothing is entirely different from the tournament staff uniform.
Then maybe we've been looking at the wrong person.
We let our assumptions guide us to an innocent man.
If you didn't take the tickets, why were you watching us? What was the reason for your constant observation?
I saw someone open your backpack. I witnessed a person stealthily unzipping your bag from behind.
You saw that. You actually witnessed someone tampering with my bag in the middle of the crowd.
I tried to. I made several attempts to get your attention and deliver a proper warning. That's why I kept approaching your family. I kept coming over to break the ice and inform you.
You were trying to warn us?
So all those weird encounters were actually your attempts to protect us?
Then why not say it directly? Why didn't you just tell us about the thief immediately, sir?
Because we thought you were suspicious. Your sudden appearances made us assume you were a bad person.
Did you see the person's face? Is there any specific feature or detail that can help us identify them?
The volunteer jacket looked too large, like it didn't belong to the person wearing it at all.
A volunteer jacket that didn't fit? An oversized uniform that seemed entirely improper for the wearer?
Staff member, can we check the volunteer area? Can we look into the helper section immediately? We think someone was pretending to be a volunteer. A thief used the uniform to camouflage themselves.
This jacket belongs to one of our volunteers. It is an official piece of our tournament merchandise. A volunteer reported it missing this morning. It was officially noted as lost during the early shift.
That explains a lot. The entire criminal plot makes perfect sense to me now. It was premeditated.
Really? Are you absolutely sure those are our genuine tickets? This is an absolute miracle!
So the thief was caught? The imposter wearing the oversized volunteer jacket has been arrested?
And we blamed the wrong man. We directed all our anger and accusations at an innocent helper.
I'm sorry for accusing you. I am deeply ashamed of my harsh words and false allegations earlier.
We almost missed the match because of a misunderstanding. A simple misinterpretation nearly ruined our dream.
Never turn suspicion into certainty without evidence. We must always verify the facts before judging a person.